As an EV owner myself, one of the things we love to talk about is how much money we save by never having to go to gas stations to quote unquote fill up our cars. But in reality, if you're on the road trip or you heavily rely on charging outside of your home, those superchargers are not that much cheaper than regular gasoline prices anymore. Where you save your money is when you charge at home, or even more so if you charge during the correct off-peak hours. This makes the type of home charger that you have vitally important to make sure that you're actually getting a strong cost savings when it comes to gas versus EV charging. And that is where channel partner WOLFBOX comes in with their simple and effective level 2 home EV charger. Let's start with the specs of this charger. Firstly, it offers versatile installation options. It is rated as both an indoor and outdoor charger. The WOLFBOX charger is made of waterproof materials to ensure durability in any environment. The install itself is extremely simple, even for someone like myself who isn't too tool savvy. You will need a power drill to get this mounted onto the wall though. It offers an extremely robust 25-foot charging cable, which eliminates the hassle of having to park your EV in a correct orientation or direction. You have 3 different charging options. You can enjoy the convenience of the plug-in charge, which is my personal favorite. RFID car charging is also an option with the 2 cards that are included in the packaging, or the remote charging through the mobile application. It comes equipped with an SAE J1772 connector, which is compatible with all J1772 electric vehicle models, and then Tesla adapters are available upon request as well, which I already had a few of them at home. When it comes to charge amps, it offers up to 50 amps of power, which caters to a variety of EVs and makes sure that you're charging at the optimal rate. I like to charge my Tesla Model Y at roughly 32 amps, but if I want a faster charge, I can boost it all the way to 48 amps and go from 20% to 80% in just a few hours, but I also have peace of mind knowing that the speed of the charge won't actually hurt the health of my battery long term. When it comes to my experience, installing the WOLFBOX EV charger was a seamless process. What I love about this charger is the display. The LCD screen instantly catches your eye. This 4.3-inch display showing real-time data like charging rate, time, voltage, and charge amount provided a comprehensive overview of the charging process at a glance. The true convenience of the WOLFBOX EV charger revealed itself in the daily use. The extended cable length meant no more repositioning the car to align with the actual charger. I no longer have to back into my garage. I can just pull in with zero worry of the cable not being long enough. Whether using the straightforward plug and charge method or the RFID cards for a quick start, each charging session that I had was absolutely effortless. The mobile app added some extra layer of convenience, allowing for the remote monitoring and control, allowing me to actually charge during off-peak hours to have the most amount of cost savings and making sure I'm charging as efficiently as possible when it comes from an economic standpoint. So the WOLFBOX EV charger is available for purchase on the official WOLFBOX website and on Amazon, and it retails for $5.99, but they are running a special on Amazon specifically where they reduced the price 30%, offering it all the way down at $399, but there is also a $50 off coupon that you just check off on Amazon itself, which brings the price down of this WOLFBOX EV Level 2 charger to $349. This is an extremely competitive price for what you get. So if you just got a new EV for the holidays or you're looking for a late gift for an EV owner, this is an absolute no-brainer. I will link everything down below for you guys to check out. If you guys want to support both WOLFBOX and Electrek, definitely click on those links down below. But thank you for WOLFBOX for partnering up with Electrek on this video, and until next time, I'm Fernando. I'm out of here.